All the three leaders from the three political parties represented on the news are tonight. The Congress, the Samajwadi Party and the BJP believe that I am targeting them individually in different ways. Digambar Kamath says in 2010, if women start pursuing politics, it will have a negative impact on society. No action against him. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, BJP Vice President, says in 2008, some women wearing lipstick and powder have taken to streets of Mumbai and are abusing politicians. No action against him. Shantaram Naik, Congress MP Jayanti Natarajan says, while rape is the most heinous crime, an alleged rape of a lady who moves with strangers for days together, even beyond the middle of the night, is to be treated on a different footing. No action against him, and I don't believe, Ms. Jayanti Natarajan, with the greatest of respect, that the country will be happy with a private rebuke. This is not an inner party matter. We are talking about setting an example.
Arnab, I've already answered that question. I've already said that this party has shown and articulated and shown in action through various pieces of legislation how determined we are to punish the guilty in any crime against women. Now, if you're going to cherry pick individual cases which are disowned by
from all parties,
I'm not going to be able to answer you. There's
from
no
all
point.
parties.
I mean, if you want to alienate, my own, including my own party, if you want to alienate the entire political party system because three or four men made remarks that are completely unacceptable, there is absolutely no way that we can carry this discourse further.
Ms. Natarajan, are you accusing me?
The question
are
is,
you accusing me of?
I'm not accusing anybody of anything. I'm only requesting you not to demonize political parties.
No, I'm not. I am seeking accountability from them.
Completely condemnable statements.
No, I'm seeking accountability. I have a right to, as a citizen, if not even as a journalist.
Well, we are asking for accountability from the parties.
Kavita Krishna,
no one's demonizing the parties.
Arnab, I would like to come in.
No, Arnab, I think
I've been quiet, waiting for my turn.
Let me say just once, give me 1 second. I think this action of condoning these kind of statements and not taking action within the political parties, Arnab, is creating a permissive environment in society where people, these are not cherry to be picked, these are thorns which are hurting women of India. They have to be taken out and they have to be thrown from political class.
Exactly.
I think Jayanti is becoming unnecessarily emotional and targeting us for no reason. She knows me for years and years and our work
I'm
for
not
years and
targeting
years.
you. You're
she has
shouting at
absolutely
me.
no right to say what she is. Please, Jayanti, if we women will not realize this and try to cover these people and try to create rationale for what they are saying, we are creating a condition where they are misbehaving, ill-treating and now sexually assaulting women wherever. You are in a political party, you know what happens in political parties. A lot of women are not able to come forward and say that about what political party and politicians are doing to their own women.
And then all parties, one second. All parties point fingers at the other side when they say things.
We are appealing to you.
No, 1 second. Gaurav Bhatia.
I want to come in.
Gaurav Bhatia, before
I want to first come in to make some comment, Arnab, then you can ask your questions. Just allow me to. If you've invited me for this discussion, allow me to at least make my points.
I'm not stopping you. I'll take a caller after that. Yes, please.
Yeah, please, just give me 1 minute and I'll be able to make my
Go
point.
ahead.
I just want to clarify, Arnab, that through your channel, I want to say that even if a fellow member of my party has made a comment, I do not believe in it, and there are many in the Samajwadi Party who do not agree with the senior party leader. And second, I think, yes, let me complete myself. Today it's been a very disappointing debate. Why? Because you have been disappointed. You expected me to defend it. I did not. I have been disappointed by you because
I am disappointed.
You're not allowing me to make my points.
I am as 1 second. Gaurav Bhatia.
If you have substance,
Gaurav Bhatia, 1 minute.
Not to interrupt me. If you have substance, wait for your turn, Arnab.
Gaurav Bhatia.
Allow me to.
Gaurav Bhatia.
No, this is unfair, Arnab.
Gaurav Bhatia.
This is unfair. I waited for 15 minutes to get my turn. When I start speaking, you interrupt.
No, but it's not a speech. You have to take a question.
Please don't be scared of what I'll say.
It's a question.
No, I will take all questions. I've been taking
not
all
one you'll take, because I can tell you about what your party chief also said. I'm not worried about your trying to typecast me. I'll tell you what your party chief said. Your party chief, Mulayam Singh Yadav.
Please listen to me. Sometimes your debate might not be spicy, but it would be fair.
I am very sorry. I am very, very sorry. I am very sorry, Gaurav Bhatia, that because you lack the courage to listen to the right questions, you accuse me of doing a spy. I think it's. You take that back.
Okay.
Take that back right now.
Ask him to apologize.
Apologize for saying that. You take that back now. What do you mean?
Apologize for what?
Apologize for using the word spicy debate. It's not a spicy debate. It is a real debate.
No, because you are
Take
not
it back.
allowing me to come make my point. When I replied,
You take it back.
by making my point, you changed the course of the debate.
Of women, Mr. Gaurav
This,
Bhatia.
I am
Please
making
mind
my
your
point very
language,
clear,
Mr. Gaurav
Arnab.
Bhatia.
And I.
Yes.
You take it
Why?
back.
What did I say wrong? Tell
You
me.
take it back right now.
You take it back.
Excuse,
You
I'm
take it
talking
back.
to the other panelist who is saying that I.
That's not
We
how
are-
we leave the debate.
We are discussing.
No, take back what?
Take.
Take back what?
Listen
take
to
back what?
No, repeating it. I'll tell you if you listen to me.
Arnab, because he didn't allow me to complete my sentence.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia.
I am making that
Mr.
comment
Bhatia, we are
pertaining to
discussing.
Arnab
How
only.
can you call a debate about honor and dignity of women?
A spicy
How can you
debate.
call a debate about honor and
No,
dignity
I'm
of
not
women?
saying that.
Spicy
I
debate,
am
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia.
generalizing.
Take your
I'm
words back.
making
Apologize
this
to women
comment
of India.
in reference.
What kind
I'm
of
not going to.
language are you using?
Please, I'm
This
not
is
talking about the
allowed
women of
by the
India.
law.
You ought to.
What
No,
are you
Mr.
talking?
Gaurav
Please,
Bhatia, first of all, no.
understand the
No.
context of
Please,
my
Mr.
comment.
Gaurav
If you do
Bhatia.
not, then don't. First,
No.
understand the
No, you
context.
cannot.
First,
Please.
understand the context.
No, Mr.
When
Gaurav
I
Bhatia,
said,
you
are nobody
no,
to
Mr.
dictate to
Gaurav
me
Bhatia.
what I
You
should,
cannot
I have
call
said
this debate a
something with
spicy
full authority.
debate.
I know what I said.
You call honor and dignity
I am not
of
talking
women
about
of
this
India
debate. I am
spicy.
talking about all debates. I am talking about all debates. Ma'am,
What are you
please pay
talking
attention
about?
to what
I
I'm
don't know,
saying.
but about this debate,
I am talking
you
about
have
all
to
debates.
apologize.
I am not referring to this debate. I am not referring to this debate. And you are not paying attention to
debates
what
are
I am saying.
spicy.
So please
Debates
pay
are
attention to what I am
spicy.
saying. I am saying to all debates,
Nobody
debates.
wants to hear you
Please
anymore.
pay attention to what
I
I'm
don't
saying.
want to hear you anymore.
You have come.
That's okay. You don't want to hear, that's fine.
You know one thing, Mr.
Yeah, but
Mr.
I want to
Bhatia.
make my point.
Mr.
And I'm
Bhatia.
saying that I do not agree with that point.
Mr. Bhatia, even 100 tons of all this
Yes.
self-righteous outrage on your part, and don't interrupt me, please, is not going to take away the fact that you have made an unacceptable
not.
comment by talking about a discussion on the comments made by political leaders against women, a spicy debate. I will tell you today.
No.
I will tell you
I've
today
not
what is objectionable, and you listen to
I've
me.
not done
You
that.
listen to me now.
I've not
You
done
listen
that.
to me now. I've heard you.
I've not done that.
You listen
Please,
to
no,
me
you
now.
listen to me.
You can
Arnab, you
pontificate
listen
as
to
much
me.
as you like
I
on other
never
channels
used
which
that
don't
term
ask direct
in relation
questions.
to this debate.
You can please you listen to my question.
I never made that comment in relation to this debate. I was talking about
I
all
don't
the
care in
debates
what context
where
you
give
made it, you take it back.
To remarks which make it, yes. No, but I stand by my comment when I say that you're giving preference to things that would sensationalize your debate.
I am very
over
sorry.
substance.
I am
And
very
this is
sorry. The
point
problem
I
is
made.
that with the deep embarrassment, the
I
deep,
wanted to make my point.
the deep embarrassment. You know what you are angry about today, Gaurav? You know what you're angry about? Can I tell you if you don't interrupt me for a minute?
I'm not angry.
You are
I'm not
angry.
angry.
You are
I'm
angry.
not-
You are angry today. And you're frustrated because you cannot even say, because of your political links, you cannot say what you believe in. You cannot even say you're ashamed of Naresh Agarwal. And you cannot even use...
I will. Will you give me? Will you give me a chance? I will tell you what I believe in.
Well,
I believe in equality for the
don't give me
females
lectures.
of this country. I believe that they
Don't
have
give me hollow
equal
lectures.
rights and opportunity to work anywhere and everywhere. I'm not giving any lecture. This is what I believe in.
This is
if you said that I can't speak, I'm speaking.
in March
this is what my party also
in March 2010, your party chief, and don't interrupt me this
This
time,
is what
I'm going to
my
Mahesh
party believes
Jethmalani. In March 2010, your party leader said this, and that too, unfortunately, at a function to mark Ram Manohar Lohia's birth centenary in Lucknow. He said this, and I quote, another chauvinist sexist statement which Mulayam Singh Yadav should have had the courage to apologize for as well. You should in fact ask for his apology also tonight. He said, I don't like to say this, but they, referring to those who get elected due to women's quota, would be the women like wives and daughters of officers and businessmen, the kind who get whistled at. The kind who get whistled at. Understand, Mr. Bhatia? The kind who get whistled at.
Yeah.
Now, you know what, Mr. Bhatia? Don't wind yourself up in that outrage. Don't wind yourself. Either you have the courage on television to say, you have the courage to say, I am ashamed of what Mulayam Singh Yadav said. You have the courage to say, I am ashamed of what Mulayam Singh Yadav said.
I have the courage to state the truth, and I have stated the truth on your channel. We were discussing comment of Mr.